Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going Q2 of the weekly contest 384, number of subarrays that match a pattern 1. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. So this one, to be honest, and you could kind of see the live, I think this is part of the problem that I don't like about this problem. But we'll just go with the problem first, and then if you want to stay for my kind of thoughts about this problem and this contest, and how they relate, stay tuned a little bit. But basically, the for Q2, N is 100, so you don't really have to think about it that much, and you just have to kind of implement, what they tell you. And this is pretty straightforward. I just did it N square. You have N numbers to begin a subarray, and then for that you kind of check every, every possibility. And that's pretty much it. So this is N square and pretty straightforward, to be honest. I don't really have much to say about this one. So you may wonder how I got a wrong answer. I got a wrong answer because I'm being dumb, and here I had the number 2 instead. I don't know why I had number 2. I don't know. Wait, that came out a little bit weird. But anyway, I don't know why I did it this way. But in any case, yeah, as soon as I converted to -1, it was fixed. But that took about 8 minutes or 3 minutes to debug, and then another 5-minute penalty. So it gave me basically 8 minutes on my finishing time, which is very sad. But also, to be honest, and this is a little bit of rant time. And also, yeah, if you want to, think about the hard problem, definitely, check that video. But yeah, I don't know. I think nowadays, the way that this is set up is kind of, now you have to actually think about strategy, which is kind of unfortunate, because I think to be honest, like when I solved this problem during the contest, and sorry that I didn't say much about this yet, because I mean, this is pretty straightforward. It is just 2 for loops and following the rules. And even without the mistake, I probably took like 4 or 5 minutes typing out the brute force and trying to understand the problem. Some of it, to be honest, is today I didn't have to focus, but even then, I just feel like it's a little bit weird, because now there's it's a little bit weird because now you have to think about strategy instead of just solving the problems. One thing that I did used to like about Leetcode was that you just have to solve all the problems, nothing about it, go from 1 2 3 4. I mean, some people do it backwards or whatever, I don't know. But now you actually, like for this problem, it is a legitimate question of whether I should solve this one in the brute force way or with the Q4 together, right? And this particular problem, and you can kind of see a lot of people did it that way. Number 1 did it in 3 minutes because he did it together, right? And I solved it this way in like 3-4 minutes, even not including typo. But then now to solve it again, right, for Q4. But if I had just solved Q4, which then maybe I didn't have to use 5 minutes to solve it the brute force way. I don't know. I think this is kind of a little bit silly, and also it just makes it so that, like, one thing I did always love about Leetcode contests is just that, you focus on solving the problems. I mean, there's some like weird things, but that's the end of the day. But now I have to think about the meta strategy of like, okay, this is a problem. How much can I solve, right? Like, and it matters, right? Because, I mean, and today we got it, or I got it wrong, the strategy wise, but for example, I could have, like, if Q4 version of this is impossible and no one solves it, and you try to spend too long trying to solve the harder version, then your Q2's time will kind of screw you a little bit, right? So it's a little bit like there's a meta game and it's not very fun, it's not interesting, and also, just to be honest, like, I think this is just lazy, like they could. Like, this is a follow-up. They could just write literally another problem for people to kind of read, right, and understand. And they've been doing this for a while. And I guess it's, people are doing it, but it's still just like crappy and lazy. Like, who is benefiting from this, right? Like, I don't know. Just make it one problem. Like, you're just being lazy. I'm talking to contest setters, of course. Like, you have 3 problems. You can't do 4 problems a week. And you have to do like 3 problems, and one of them is a for loop. I don't know, 2 for loops. and the other one is literal for loop, so you can't come up with, you can come up with another problem that's a for loop. I don't know. It seems a little bit weird to me. Anyway, sorry for the rant. This is n square time, all of one space, because all we do is count, and that's all I have for this one. Like I said, we'll do the harder one in Q4, and yeah, let's go. You could watch me solve it live during the contest now. Okay. Unless I misread the problem, that should have been right, so. Alright, let's skip to Q3. I didn't actually read it. Just double problems, so I had to focus. Alright, let's actually focus on this one now. Oh, alright, what is this asking? Subarray ij of m plus 1. Okay, so pan and 0, they're all the same. If pan k is equal to 1. Oh, I see. So it goes up and down, whatever. Okay, fine. Okay, that's fine. Let's do it the dumb way first. How many people did get this on 16? Okay, well, so I have some time to do it. Maybe off by 1, I have to think about this, but okay, if so I plus j. Okay. Okay. One, then this is gonna be okay. They vote in a weird way. But subarray, right? Not subsequence. Right? Am I doing it right? Doesn't seem like it. So it does check it. Oh, oops. This should be the opposite. 4 2. Okay, am I right? Well, 5 1. I is going to be p minus 1. So start plus p minus 1 plus 1. Right, okay, fine. How did I get this wrong? That is embarrassing, actually. Expected 1. Is this off by 1? Nope, not like that anyway. This is bad. I know I'm off by 1 somewhere then, but start is equal to 0. This is going to be I don't know how I'm getting this wrong. This is so embarrassing. This is weird. 7. Just brute force. How are you getting this wrong, Larry? Two, 5, 6, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2. Negative. Oh, this is equal to. But I'm not doing the extra number, am I? No, this isn't right. Did I just get lucky on this one? Start is 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that connects it. Oh, what the? Why do I not have -1? Wow. 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 I am just, where did I get 2 from? I'm just not being careful today. Alright, that is just, of all the silly mistakes, that's a pretty silly mistake. The people done it. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this explanation, this contest, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.